In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your door panel on your Mini Cooper. It's located on the door. Before beginning this job, there is a kit, a door panel kit for this type of car, for this car specifically, but I'm going to show you how to do it without it. We're going to start with a T27 Torx bit, and we're going to take out these 3 bolts. You can reach in with a magnet and grab those bolts. After you take out those 3 bolts, you're going to take out this little reflector. To do that, you're just going to put your trim tool underneath, and it should just pop out. And you have 1 more screw here. It's also a little short one, so you have 2 short ones and 2 long ones. I'm going to use a tool like this. It calls for a wedge type trim tool. So you're just going to slide it underneath your door panel. And there are little plastic holders that are attaching the panel to the metal. And you're just going to pop them out like that. And you're going to go along this panel all the way around and undo them all. At this point, I'm going to take off this trim on the speaker and pull it apart. Now we're going to take out this little piece here where their door lock is. And to do that, you're just going to slide your trim tool underneath and slowly pry it up. Now we're going to take our whole panel off. So there's little metal clips all along this edge here. And you're just going to pull it out. Let's put our panel on. You're going to line up these clips in the door panel along the edge here, and you also want to line up your door lock rod. So I'm going to set this down. You're going to feel it initially go in, and you're going to press it in. Give it a tap. Make sure it's in all the way. Should be flush. And now we're going to press in the rest of the door panel. If you have any sort of resistance, it means it's not lined up properly. So don't force it. And if you peek down the side, you can see when they're lined up or not. Now we're going to put our screws in. The long ones go on this side, closer to the driver's seat. Make sure you just snug them up. Don't over tighten anything. Once you get those 2 in, you're going to go for this one. And the one up top where the reflector goes. And now we can go ahead and put our reflector on. Line up your 3 tabs and push it in. Now let's go right above that and put in this grommet for the door lock rod. Make sure that your speaker is in place and line this up accordingly. Don't force it. If it doesn't feel like it's flush, then you need to readjust some things. And it should just pop in. All right, so that's nice and flush. You have, now just check your work, make sure everything's where it belongs.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.